Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add review button in action column for processing order status in my account order section in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in my account page order section and then you see order status processing. So we are going to show add view button in action column. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see order status processing and this is our button text add view. So you can add button text according to your requirement. So button redirect to product page and then scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to my account page. We are in order section and refresh the page. And then you see order status processing. And then you see add view button. So click on it. And then redirect to product page. And then you see review section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.